Plastic labada. 1850 SRP lang.
Belay, Angelina po. Babies na check sa alaga ni Mommy. Magana, siksik, bigatin, malusog. Drops of baby, syrup, putsuin up. Yan ang tatak, tiki-tiki. Masagana, siksik, bigati. Dahil check sa alaga ni Mommy. Yan ang tatak, tiki-tiki.
Bear Brand Junior 1 Plus para sa 1 to 3 years old. Available sa 400-gram pack. 195 pesos lang SRP. Bear Brand Junior 1 Plus para sa 1 to 3 years old. The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health. EO 51 say number 028 series 2022.
Coco Martin ho, bawat lakas may match na Cobra. Ngayon, dinagdagan pa ng lakas ng immune gas.
Todo ako sa klase, pati sa gaming. Ang iinom ko.
Cobra Citrus, natulong sa focus at pagka-alerto with proper diet and exercise.
Nag-online selling ako para sa pamilya. Ang inumin ko,
Refreshing na Cobra Berry.
Sa biyahe, dapat masipag. Fuel ko?
Cobra, #1 energy drink.
Lakas ng #1. Cobra Original and Citrus de Bote, 14 pesos SRP lang. Cobra, the #1 energy drink. Cobra Original and Citrus, 14 pesos SRP lang. Cobra, the #1 energy drink.
Simula dati pa, favorite ko na magkape tuwing umuulan. At simula dati pa, favorite ko na ang Dunkin' Brewed Coffee. Kasi simula dati pa, its signature taste never changes. Kahit ilang tag-ulan pa ang dumaan. At simula dati pa, there's nothing like Dunkin' Brewed Coffee.
Dunkin, pasalubong ng bayan. Diba na? Pasalubong na. Sugas guys, pamulit-ulit. Pinasebo ayoko na, ordinary dishwashing eggs na.
Joy with Power Bula. Tanggal sebo with one wash. One wash tested versus ordinary brand X liquid.
Joy Dishwashing Liquid. Now with Power Bula. Sa Joy, todong linis at tanggal sebo sa isang hugasan lang. Champion Super Power na! Mura siya! Tanggal pa, max mancha! Champion ibigay! Bili na! Sa presyong abot kaya!
Champion Super Power with X-Stain Technology. Max linis, max sulit.
Promoted ako! Code 45 tayo mga bro!
Cheers!
Mga bro!
Aamin na ako kay Angela.
Cheers!
Mga bro, finally nagkita na ulit tayo.
Cheers!
Ang malakas sa samahan team sa kapatiran na lumang dahilan. Solid sa sarap beer combo. 88 pesos SRP na lang ang Code 45 in select location sa Luzon at Vismin. Kaya tawagin na mga bros. At pa, cheers! Code 45, lakas ng kapatira. Promo runs from February 1 to December 31, 2022. For DOH, MTA, CFRR permit number 2096 series of 2021. Drink reserved.
Nido Junior. For 1 to 3 years old, ang 160-gram pack, 180 grams na. 99 pesos suggested retail price. Nido Junior. The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health. EO 51C number 022 series of 20. Bear Brand Junior 1 Plus para sa 1 to 3 years old. Available sa 400-gram pack. 195 pesos lang SRP. Bear Brand Junior 1 Plus para sa 1 to 3 years old. The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. The unnecessary and improper use of this product may be dangerous to your child's health. EO 51C number 028 series 2022.
45, lakas ng kapatiran.
Candy-lets, Candy-lets, number home, Candy-lets. Jumabot para sa tamot, gamot sa lagnat for kids in candy flavor. Number home, Candy-lets.
Hindi lang yan.
Paracetamol is the generic name of Kidlets. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
United Home Kidilets, gamot para sa lagnatang kids in candy flavors.
Are you a baker at heart? Do you enjoy making holiday treats, cakes, and pastries for your loved ones? Are you aiming to earn a little extra with your baking talents? Allow CNAAA to help you. To all the bakers at heart, would like you to visit the second floor for our baking items like cake boxes, cake boards, cupcake liners, chocolate chips, sprinkles, and various baking utensils. Share something special and release the baker in you. See you at the second floor of CNAAA Supermart.
Craving for a real and authentic milk tea? Frostica is the right choice. Frostica uses only the highest quality ingredients. Frostica, a great place to chill with your family and friends. So the next time you crave for milk tea or even coffee and frappe, think of Frostica in front of 7-Eleven, Rimando Road, Baguio City. Frostica, they also deliver Skyrise
Hotel, Apartel, and Restaurant in Baguio City is your home away from home. It caters to all occasions like baptism, wedding receptions, depots, and family get-togethers. Skyrise Hotel, Apartel, and Restaurant have conferences and banquet halls for meetings and conferences, convention halls that can accommodate up to 1,000 people. They are located at the foot of Lourdes Grotto. Give them a call at 445-6834. Skyrise Hotel, Apartel, and Restaurant in Baguio City.
Iyawan po ba't na masida? Atay, ang mga nomado yung walang timakan. Yung mga magkakiti masida. Nag-ato tayo magtinibiyal. Siya yung sinagkuna, nag-ato tinibig. Normalan tinibig na sa among. Indiretso, kaya inyo nung desin padyawan with karlik. Iso nga, mariknak pa ang tibig siya tinibagay. Kasta yatay, may magagarod. Tay tamat, hindi naman, iso kitaan niyo. Yang ang saksakit. Iso ka sa kulang, nagumatang tayo di ano. Asyad padyawan with karlik. Nag-ore kayo tayo. Sa din yung alaan, nagiti hindi naman nyo, asyad padyawan with karlik. Siya din ang paigay, nagdidi ay kwartaw. San Mariawan with karlik. Magaman, nagkisuti yung apunika, di kaliban ang produkto ni San Pharma. It's your original country radio, 99.1.
Tagapagbigay buhay at liwanag ng sangkatauhan. Salamat po sa iyong pagtangkilik at paggabay sa bansang Pilipinas. Salamat po sa kalayaang magtibok tulad niyo ayon sa talaga ng aming saligang batas.
Salamat po na kami dahil sa kabayanihan, pagsisikap at sakripisyo ng aming mga ninuno at mga bayani ay nabuo upang maging isang bansa at isang malayang demokratikong republika. Walhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.
At salamat niyo po ang aming pagtitipon ngayon upang aming dinggin, liwanagan at suriyo ang kalagayan ng bayan, ang state of the nation. At upang italaga sa inyong gabay at pangkilig ang mga magiging hakbangin ng pamahalaan sa pamumuno ng aming Pangulo, Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr.
Iyayaan niyo po kami mga mamamayan sa pangandamahin ng patuloy at tumitibay na pagkakaisa, pagtutulungan at pagmamahalan bilang pagsunod sa inyong magandang pagkakas. Kasihan niyo po ang aming Pangulo at ang pangkat ng kanyang mga tagapangasiwa, ang aming mga mambabatas, ang aming mga hukom, at ang mga tagapagpairal ng katanungan ng dalisay at ibayong kaliwanagan, karunungan, katwiran, at katapatan sa kanilang banal na tungkulin. At kakahaling kaming lahat ng mga mamamayan at mga pinuno tungo sa dakilang pagkakaisa na magbubunga ng ibayong kapayapaan, kaayusan, kaunlaran, kasaganaan, at kasiyahan ng lipunang Pilipino.
Patuloy po tayo sa pagkakamayan ng panalangin. Nangyari ang bawat isa ay tahimik at nananawagan sa may kapay.
Ladies and gentlemen, honorable members of the Congress of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Arizona?
Charles John Brown and the esteemed members of the Diplomatic Corps, the honorable members of the Cabinet, our First Lady, Luis Araneta Marcos, and our children. Distinguished guests, ang mga minamahal kong mga kababayan, ladies and gentlemen, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Singasan madlang Ferdinand.
I come before you today to address you as it is my duty as President of the Republic. We live in difficult times brought about by some forces of our own making, but certainly also by forces that are beyond our control. But we have and we will continue to find solutions, and these are some of them. In terms of the economy, we will implement a sound fiscal management. Tax administration reforms will be in place to increase revenue collection. Expenditure priorities will be realigned and spending efficiency will be improved to immediately address the economic scarring arising from the effects of COVID-19 and also to prepare for future shocks. Productivity-enhancing investments will be promoted. Our country must become an investment destination, capitalizing on the corporate recovery and tax incentives for enterprises with the CREATE law and the economic liberalization laws such as the Public Service Act and the Foreign Investments Act. Ecozones will be fully supported to bring in strategic industries such as those engaged in high-tech manufacturing, health and medical care, and all emerging technologies. This is also seen to facilitate economic growth outside of Metro Manila. Our tax system will be adjusted in order to catch up with the rapid developments of the digital economy, including the imposition of value-added tax on digital service providers. The initial revenue impact will be around 11.7 billion pesos in 2023 alone. Tax compliance procedures will be simplified to promote ease of paying taxes. We will pursue measures to determine possible undervaluation and or trade misinvoicing of imported goods. Through information and communications technology, the Bureau of Customs will promote streamlined processes. Disbursements for 2022 to 2023 will be maintained at above 20% of gross domestic product or 4.955 trillion pesos and 5.086 trillion pesos respectively to ensure continuous implementation of priority programs. Disbursement will further increase over the medium term from 5.402 trillion pesos or 20.7% of our GDP in 2024 to 7.712 trillion pesos or 20.6% of GDP in 2028. The medium-term fiscal strategy of this administration seeks to attain short-term macro-fiscal stability while remaining supportive of the country's economic recovery and to promote medium-term fiscal sustainability. Furthermore, and more importantly, fiscal policy aims to bring together the national government's resources so that these are mobilized and utilized in order to gain the maximum benefit and the high multiplier effects for our economy. Measurable medium-term macroeconomic and fiscal objectives include the following headline numbers.
These are based on forecasts that are consistent with the guiding principles of coherence of strategies and 8% from 2024 to 2028. I have instructed the NEDA to coordinate with other agencies and work on the Philippine Development Plan for 2023 to 28 and to submit to me the complete blueprint and progress of its implementation not later than year end. One of the main drivers of our push for growth and employment will be in the agricultural sector. With regard to food supply, we are confronted by a two-pronged problem, that which will hit us in the short term and that which will hit us in the long term. Tayo ay nahaharap sa mga problemang kagyat nating mararamdaman at mga hamong pangmatagalan. Ang mga suliraning agarang mararamdaman ng ating mga kababayan ay ang posibilidad ng tuloy-tuloy na pagsipa ng presyo ng pagkain at kakulangan sa supply ng ating pagkain. Upang masuportahan ang mabimili para mapanatili ang kanilang purchasing power o kapangyarihan sa pagbili, isinapinal ng Department of Agriculture ang planong taasan ang produksyon sa susunod na panahon ng pagtanim o planting season. Technical. Magbibigay tayo ng pauta